So I briefly covered this in my Boku no Hero Academia chapter review, but I kind of want to make a video talking about this subject because it's something that really just had me puzzled this morning, and many, like myself, I'm assuming, is just as puzzled as I am, and I kind of just wanted to make a topic video discussing what the hell fucking happened, because something had to have happened for Boku no Hero Academia, Horikoshi-sensei, to have unfinished manga panels, but also the same thing happened to Black Clover as well. And after a lot of looking into different series, it didn't seem like overall Haikyuu or, Food Wars had any issues from what I'm actually currently aware of, so it mainly retained to Black Clover and Boku no Hero Academia. And the only thing I could actually assume at this time, since it was just two series, or these two series that had it affect them, I'm going to assume that these two, the mangaka of Black Clover and, Boku no Hero Academia, they were not ahead by multiple chapters, because if we know how mangaka usually work, usually they have a bunch of chapters already prepped. Maybe they have like 2 or 3 chapters already done, and then they could just hand them to Weekly Shonen Jump by the week. That's kind of what they can do. And so they're ahead of schedule. And I feel like what this showed us was that Horikoshi, but also the mangaka of Black Clover, they were working chapter by chapter. For instance, they were doing a chapter each week, and that's kind of about what they were doing with their schedule. They were just, staying ahead of the flow, just doing a regular workflow of their chapters. And we noticed something had to have happened, these two, because if you know Horikoshi, that writes Boku no Hero Academia, this man, he does insane art. He's really good at drawing his manga. And the same could be said about Black Clover. There's a lot of good art in Black Clover as well. And so when you notice these little changes, you know that there's just no way the mangaka would give out this, this content. Like, no way the mangaka would want to actually say, oh, this chapter's finished, and hand it over to Weekly Shonen Jump, unless something actually happened, which the only thing I could assume is that something happened to the magazine, not, the actual writers of these two series, but something happened to the magazine. Maybe some form of deadline or something happened to where their schedule got thrown off, and Weekly Shonen Jump was like, hey, you just need to give us your chapters right now. It doesn't matter if they're finished or not, you just need to give us your chapters, and we need to get this shipped out as fast as possible. I feel like something like that had to have happened, because there's just no way that the mangaka of Black Clover and then the mangaka of Boku no Hero Academia would have been fine with the chapters that came out this week, because of their previous chapters they have made, the quality of their art, and how their backgrounds always look good as well. I just do not believe that this would have been fine with them, unless Shonen Jump was saying, we just need your chapters. And we do know that something like this can be fixed easily. I mean, let's just take an example from Hunter x Hunter's book, okay? If you know about Hunter x Hunter's manga, then most likely you've heard a lot of stories, or you've seen firsthand. You'll know that Togashi has had many instances when he has wrote Hunter x Hunter, that there was just some panels that looked like absolute fucking ass, like a kindergartner fucking drew them. And besides just getting into talking about Togashi's work style or whatever, the way Togashi drew this, they were always corrected in the actual volumes. When the volumes were released, like the manga volumes were released of Hunter x Hunter, the artwork was fixed. They looked a lot better. The overall panels that looked like just sketches, they looked way better than they were when it came out in Weekly Shonen Jump. And so I'm going to assume that the artwork that was in these two chapters that came out for Boku no Hero Academia and then Black Clover as well, I'm going to assume that the artwork is going to be fixed for the official releases of, the volumes. However, though, it's still a concern for the magazine, because something like this to happen to not just one manga but two mangas, it means that something had to happen internally with Weekly Shonen Jump. And I do hope it was nothing too serious for whatever had to cause this, because, it's not normal. It's really not. I've read a lot of manga from Weekly Shonen Jump over the years, and to be completely honest with you, I haven't really seen a case like this. I have not seen a case. I could be unaware. I might not have noticed it, but I personally, out of the countless years I've been as a reviewer, and I've been reviewing weekly manga chapters and stuff, I don't think I've ever actually seen an instance to where a manga I'm reviewing had this type of issue. And so I'm just curious, has this happened before? And if not, could this mean that there's something else going on in Weekly Shonen Jump that we should be concerned about? And also, should we be concerned that Horikoshi and also the mangaka of Black Clover, they are not, ahead with their chapter releases, because this shows that, like, someone like, the writer of Food Wars and the writer of Haikyuu, they both are ahead of their schedule, but Boku no Hero and Black Clover, they are not. So we'll see where that goes. I kind of just wanted to make a topic video on this, just kind of get my thoughts out there, because, I mean, there's a lot of things about this that just have me puzzled, and I just wonder if, many others, like myself, are just very weirded out about how the chapters were. Is this something that just happened this week, or is this something that's probably going to happen in the next couple months because of whatever's going on? I guess Oda chose a good week to take a break. I think he did, most likely, because of what's going on here. How, he didn't release a chapter this week. I don't know, just something feels like, Oda took one of the best weeks to probably get off for, Weekly Shonen Jump, because I don't work at Weekly Shonen Jump, but something had to have happened for this to happen, because this is the first time I've ever seen Horikoshi have this type of art in his actual manga series. So let me know your thoughts in the comments below. What do you think is going on in the comments below? And I love you all so much. You have a wonderful day or night wherever you live. Please be safe. Chibi out.